The digital gold rush. Your journey to £5,000 a day begins now. Imagine the possibilities that lie ahead. The internet has revolutionized how we earn a living. No longer are we confined to traditional office spaces or rigid schedules. It's a gold mine of opportunity waiting for you to stake your claim. With the right strategies and tools, you can tap into this vast potential. Imagine waking up to £5,000 in your account every single day. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality for many who have embraced the digital age. That's the power of the online world. From e-commerce to digital marketing, the avenues to generate income are endless. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes, it's about dedication, learning and applying proven methods to build a sustainable income. This is about building real, sustainable wealth online. It's about creating a foundation that will support you for years to come. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? The journey requires effort, but the rewards are worth it. Are you ready to join the ranks of those who are already earning life-changing income online? These individuals started just like you with a dream and a plan. This is your chance to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind and design a life of freedom and abundance. Let's dive in. Together, we'll explore the steps, tools, and mindset needed to achieve this incredible goal. Your journey to financial independence starts now. Embrace the digital revolution and transform your life today. Mastering high-income skills. Your key to unlocking online riches. The first step to earning big online is developing high-income skills. These skills are not just any skills, but those that are in high demand and can command premium prices. Think about digital marketing, for instance. This is a field where businesses are desperate for talented marketers to navigate the ever-evolving online landscape. With the right expertise, you can help businesses grow their online presence, drive traffic, and increase sales. The demand for skilled digital marketers is only going to increase. Another lucrative avenue is trading. By learning to master the markets, you can generate substantial income from anywhere in the world. Imagine the freedom of working from a beach, a cafe, or even your own home, all while making informed trades that can significantly boost your income. Consulting is another great option. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can leverage that knowledge to help businesses grow and solve their most pressing problems. Whether it's business strategy, financial planning, or marketing, consultants are always in demand. Your insights can be invaluable to companies looking to improve and expand. The key is to identify your passions and strengths. By focusing on what you are good at and what you love, you can develop high-income skills that not only bring financial rewards but also personal fulfillment. So start today by exploring these opportunities and unlocking your potential for online riches. Platforms for profit: building your empire in the digital world. In today's interconnected age, the digital landscape offers unprecedented opportunities for those willing to seize them. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a creative artist, or someone with a unique skill set, the internet provides a vast playground to build your empire. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to choose your platform. The right platform can make all the difference in your journey to success. Each platform has its own strengths and caters to different types of content and audiences. Understanding where your strengths lie and where your target audience spends their time is crucial. YouTube is a powerhouse for content creators. Share your knowledge, entertain the masses, and watch your income soar. With billions of users worldwide, YouTube offers a massive audience for your content. Whether you're into vlogging, tutorials, or entertainment, the potential for growth is immense. Plus, with YouTube's monetization options, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, and even direct viewer support. Blogging offers another path to online riches. Share your insights, build a loyal following, and monetize your blog through advertising and affiliate marketing. A well-written blog can attract a dedicated readership, and with the right strategies, you can turn your passion for writing into a profitable venture. From sponsored posts to affiliate links, the revenue streams are diverse. E-commerce is booming. Launch your online store and sell physical or digital products to a global audience. With platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon, setting up an online store has never been easier. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital downloads, or dropshipping products, The potential for profit is vast. The key is to find a niche market and offer products that meet a specific need or desire. The beauty of these platforms is the potential for scalability. Once you've established a solid foundation, your income can grow exponentially. As your audience and customer base expand, so do your opportunities for revenue. With the right strategies and consistent effort, you can turn your digital venture into a thriving empire. The digital world is your oyster, and the possibilities are endless. The power of passive income: making money while you sleep. Imagine earning money even while you sleep. That's the beauty of passive income. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to generate passive income. Promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale. Investments are another avenue for passive income. Let your money work for you through stocks, bonds, and real estate. The key to passive income is to put in the work up front to create a system that generates income on autopilot. Section 5. Affiliate marketing: earning commissions by recommending products you love. Affiliate marketing is a win-win business model. You recommend products you believe in and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link. It's a great way to monetize your existing audience, whether it's on social media, a blog, or an email list. The key is to choose products that align with your niche and provide genuine value to your audience. Build trust with your audience by providing honest reviews and helpful content. Section 6. Investing: growing your wealth through smart financial decisions. Investing is crucial for building long-term wealth. It's about putting your money to work for you, generating passive income, and growing your capital over time. Start by educating yourself about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. Diversify your portfolio to mitigate risk and maximize returns. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and discipline are key. Section 7. Success stories: real people, real money, real inspiration. Countless individuals are achieving financial freedom online. Take Pat Flynn, for example. He built a multi-million-dollar online business by sharing his knowledge about passive income. Or consider Michelle Schroeder Gardner, who paid off over $40,000 in debt in 7 months through blogging and affiliate marketing. These success stories prove that it's possible to achieve extraordinary results online. Let their journeys inspire you to take action and pursue your own online dreams. Section 8. Overcoming challenges: turning obstacles into stepping stones. The road to online success isn't always smooth. You'll encounter challenges and setbacks along the way. The key is to view these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is simply a stepping stone to success. Embrace it, learn from it, and keep moving forward. Surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who can offer guidance and encouragement. Section 9. Taking action: your roadmap to online success. Knowledge without action is meaningless. It's time to take action and start building your online empire. Identify your passions and skills. Choose a platform that aligns with your goals. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Be consistent, persistent, and never give up. Remember, success leaves clues. Learn from those who have already achieved what you desire and model their strategies. Section 10. The power of persistence: never give up on your dreams. Persistence is the key to unlocking your online potential. There will be times when you want to give up, when you question your abilities, and when you feel like you're not making progress. It's during these times that you need to dig deep, tap into your inner strength, and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. Enjoy the ride and never stop learning and growing. Section 11. Conclusion: embrace the journey and reap the rewards. The online world offers limitless opportunities for those willing to put in the work. Whether you choose to master high-income skills, build a platform, or generate passive income, the potential for financial freedom is within your reach. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and never stop believing in yourself. Remember, The only limit to what you can achieve is the one you set for yourself. Now go out there and create the life of your dreams.